Hey guys, it's Bill, Competition Cars, and you guys asked for a cold start video. So let me get down here and grab the exhaust. It's ice cold. The car's been sitting here for at least 3 days now, okay? And it wanted it with the PSC on and off. So the car is in accessory mode, and I'm going to, I can only do one cold start video before it's not cold anymore. So we're going to turn the exhaust on. So Christian, you'll go back there, and I want them to see how it sounds. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys, hope that was enough for you. Appreciate the early bidding. Look to see some more bids. I actually love this car in this color. It's a great color combination. Again, $91,000 window sticker. Car's all there. It's literally like new. Any more questions? Put them in the comment section. Any more questions? Let me know. Have a good day, guys.